what I needed. Just what I needed.
Hello everyone, it's me Ivan, a 9-year-old boy. Today I'll show you how to make part 18 of Super Mario. Just before we start, save your project as a new copy and name it episode 18, whatever you named it. Okay, just save it as a copy. Now today's gonna be a short episode. We're just gonna add the red Koopas because we didn't add it in the last episode because I just want to hurry the episode because the episode is a bit long now, so I just want to make this into a short episode. So just go into the enemy sprite and go into costumes, and you see the red Koopa Troopa is at costume 7 and 8. Now I have scratch add-ons. I can do better. Now if I just go now, locate the define move enemy. Move enemy. It's the custom block move enemy. And then at the very bottom, you should see there's a if checking green Koopa over here under the if checking Goomba. And now check a type if equals red Koopa. Red Koopa with a capital R and K, and just copy that. And then now go into locate the define tick Goomba script and as the scratch add-on change the texture also. Yeah, at the very bottom you should see there's another L space as we left it because we need to add the green Koopas. But anyways, just duplicate it again because you might be able to add the blue Koopas. I don't think they're called the blue Koopas, but anyway, they the blue shell. They get spikes out and all sorts. And check if type equals red Koopa, and then set type to red Koopa shell. And set root costume. Let's see what the red Koopa shell is. It's 30, so put 30 and the value costume, and height is 15. Okay, yes. And now also, I just almost forgot the most important thing. I just forgot the tile key map list. And you also have to drag the first costume of the red Koopa into the tile spray. And then move up by 8. Actually, no. Move forward by 4 times and move up by 4. I think it's like this, but I'm not sure. Oh my god, what's wrong with me? Okay, and add a new row and name, and it's 70. It is 70 unless you add new tiles to the game. And put it as 9 because it's still a Koopa costume, enemy costume. And in where's do we need to change anything to Koopa shell? No, I don't think so. Now I should see that if I press the 9 key, where is it? Use the Koopa somewhere here. Oh, another thing I forgot because I did it in the enemy sprite. We have to locate the spawn type. Just forgive me forgot because that's, I don't know. Red, and set type to red Koopa, set costume to 7, set width and height to the same because they're all Koopas. Not. Is that no? Let's see. If I try to squish it, wait. I need to turn it first into a shell. Where did I handle it? Is it in the shell script? Yeah, it's over here. Is it a costume? True costume. Change frame, change costume by 4. No, I think it's... Oh yeah, I didn't. I need to go find the move enemy because I didn't check it for red Koopa. I only check it for green Koopa shells. Red Koopa shells now. And now, let's see if we squish it. Oh yeah, see? Look at the animating shell, and it also flips enemies upside, like upside down, and yeah, it deals damage, yeah. Now we have like more options for enemy. We got like 1, 2, 3, 4 types of enemies. The Piranha, Goomba, the 2 types of Koopas. And also, I'll add the Koopa army some red Koopas, because what's a Koopa army without red Koopas? It's like... Now, like, you got like all sorts of designs of Koopas. If you want to add more, use a similar way, but like change the name. Like if it's a green, if you're adding like have a yellow Koopa, if you can draw it or you can make it modded out. If you're a good designer, you can like make it out and make the shells also out. And yeah. We could experiment adding so that when the Koopa like gets squished and not pushed for a while, it turns back into a Koopa, because it just retreats back into a shell. It does nothing bad. So now, yeah, you can add like different. I never even added Koopa on level 2. Add the red Koopas here. I mean here. Here. Now you can have all sorts of amazing designs to have Koopas, even Goombas. You know, like the golden Goomba, but I didn't find the right sprite resource for it. So yeah. Wait, where's the end box? Now you can go on 2nd level, 3rd level. And yay, I don't have end box here also. Well, this is the end of another tutorial. If you enjoyed, please like and smash the subscribe button, and like if you enjoyed the video. This is like a short video, like a 20 minutes or 10 minutes. Like it's about just adding a simple enemy. But I hope you enjoyed it anyways. And if you do, just stay tuned for the channel and turn on the notification. Like maybe next time we'll add the different types of mushrooms. Bye. See you next time.
Just what I needed. Just what I needed. Just what I needed. Just what I needed. Just what I needed.
可以了，你这个录着没用，我要自己录，因为这个上。